If you want to enable in-app notifications in Discord Mobile, today's video, let's learn how we can do it. First thing first, you have to launch your Discord app, get logged into your account, and then tap on Use section. Here, tap on the gear icon and scroll all the way below until you see notifications. Once done, launch it. And the very first thing that you should do is toggle on Get Notifications within Discord. Once done, under System Notifications, open this and make sure notifications is allowed within Discord application. Make sure this is allowed sound and vibrations. Now go back and make sure these all are turned on as well. In case you would like to get an alert for your specific server, you may also go ahead tap on push notifications. At this section, you will see all the servers that you are a member of, and you can go ahead toggle on or off the notifications according to your preferences. So guys, this is all it takes. Thank you for watching.